Tesla newly presented information has even satisfied Tesla critics. The Giga Berlin held an information event when they discussed water consumption, logistic concepts, the battery factory, and much more. Having received information on some questions, the critics were now satisfied. That's very important. More than 500 people joined the event. Tesla answered questions from local residents at an information day in Grünheide, Germany yesterday. On Sunday from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m., all interested citizens were able to attend the information event and learn more about the concept of logistics, water supply, environmental and water protection, the planned production of battery cells, and the work of the Tesla factory. Now, you know that Tesla has a lot of critics at Giga Berlin area, but now their answers have have even satisfied them. About 500 people attended the event, and many of them support the company, RBB reports. They all had the opportunity to interact with 40 employees who provided information on various topics related to the industrial settlement at Grünheide on 10 information boards. These included the factory's water consumption, logistics, and battery plant that Tesla is currently building. Some visitors wanted to learn more about the company's productions and company's products. For example, Herbert Hermann from Rüdersdorf said he wanted to know about the charging options because his family is considering buying a Tesla car. Others were happy to welcome Tesla to the region as the factory provided many jobs. Corinna Huge said, "This is a good example of how large construction projects can be moved forward quickly without forgetting the critical issues." Her son is already doing an internship at Tesla Giga Berlin. You know that Tesla Giga Berlin has opened a lot of internship opportunities, and this is one of the cases where her son is doing the internship there. One of the important issues raised by the company at the event was the water supply. In particular, Tesla strives for a closed water cycle. Giga Berlin is located in the water protection zone, which is a sore issue for some residents. Closed cycle means you use water and then you clean it and then you reuse it again. Now, Stefan Schorst from Erkner is participating in an initiative of Tesla criticized critical citizens. However, even he was satisfied that the company was constantly looking for solutions to complex issues. He said, "It is encouraging that Tesla, by its own standard, is committed to a closed water cycle," he said. The saved water could be reused for other facilities in the area. For example, for the construction of a new school building in Open Garden. Several construction projects such as the Open Garden School are currently on the brink of collapse because the region is concerned about water shortages. You know, water has been a big issue for Tesla's Giga Berlin construction. Critics raised a lot of questions about that. Now they're satisfied with that. Now, in addition, company representatives said that the gradual increase in production at the new plant is going very well, although the exact figures were not announced. At the moment, all that is known is that by the first quarter of 2023, the production of 5,000 Model Ys per week is planned at Giga Berlin. Imagine a situation where there are no car accidents anymore on our roads. And now Tesla wants to completely prevent crashes with its autopilot. Autonomous driving is the future. Tesla is convinced of that. The electric car manufacturer is constantly working on the further technical development of automotive driving functions with occupancy networks. The company has now formulated a very ambitious goal, especially with the occupancy network. According to the electric car manufacturer, Tesla's full self-driving, it's known as FSD, that software offers intelligent performance and control functions to enable a new level of safety and autonomy. The range of functions is continuously being expanded with the aim that all Tesla vehicles will be completely autonomous in the future and that the occupants will not have to intervene in the driving process. Level 5 driving. When fully autonomous driving is possible, even Tesla's internal options seem to differ. But while Tesla CEO Elon Musk wanted to bring the first fully autonomous Teslas to the market by the end of 2022 and had to postpone the goal, the head of the autopilot team at Tesla, Ashok Eluswamy, cannot provide a specific date for the first full autonomous Tesla vehicles on the streets. However, recently, the full self-driving expert gave an insight into the future possibilities of the software on YouTube and Twitter. Occupancy networks could prevent Tesla crashes completely. How? In a video showing his appearance at an autopilot team workshop at the Conference on Computer Vision and Pattern Recognition in New Orleans, Eliuswamy spoke about occupancy networks designed to give Tesla vehicles a feel, to give the vehicle environment. By the way, I will have that video's link in the description of this video for you to see. Humans have the ability to understand the objects around them at all times. Is the car on the road moving slowly or fast? As a pedestrian, do I have enough time to cross the road before I'm hit? What is the middle of the road street? What's failing out of the sky? I should get off the way. Should I get out of the way? These are occupancy networks. These scenarios and split-second decisions are natural for humans. Tesla's autopilot team is working on programming the vehicles to do the same. With occupancy networks, vehicles should be able to correctly recognize the vehicle environment. This is to be made possible with the help of cameras installed on all around the car, which not only depict the current environment, but which also used to make a prediction of what environment will look like in the future and where the vehicle can therefore move safely. For example, occupancy networks should be able to recognize the speed at which objects are approaching and on this basis determine a safe radius of movement for the Tesla vehicle. In addition, the vehicle can see around the corner. That's great improvement, right? Eliuswamy has such a high expectation of the system that he even promises that occupancy networks could completely prevent accidents in the future. The full self-driving functions that are already available would already prevent around 40% accidents a day, especially those that occur when parking or maneuvering. Tesla is working with occupancy networks to expand these functions so that they could also be used in more complex scenarios. Approaches that have been typical up to now, such as image space segmentations or free space or pixel by pixel, that still have problems here. The solution to these problems are occupancy networks. The expert is convinced. Now let's look forward when Tesla will introduce the occupancy networks and how it can expand so we have no accidents on our roads when driving electric cars. Elon Musk is trying to expand Tesla's value chain. Tesla is studying the feasibility of a lithium hydroxide refinery on the Texas Gulf Coast. The facility would be the first of its kind in North America. This is an important thing for Tesla. While many old guard car manufacturers are still working feverishly to electrify their product range and implement their software plans, Tesla is taking the next step. Due to the enormously increased prices for the raw materials, lithium company boss Elon Musk simply wants to build a lithium hydroxide refinery on the Texas Gulf Coast himself. Not long ago, Elon Musk hinted that Tesla might move into large-scale lithium refining. Remember that? The reason? Prices for lithium hydroxide, a key component in the manufacturing of electric batteries for Tesla cars. And they have already risen by 120% this year, according to an index from Benchmark Mineral Intelligence. Friends, if Tesla's Texas application is approved, construction of the refinery could begin as early as the fourth quarter of 2022. That means by the end of this year. The project is then scheduled to start commercial operations in the fourth quarter of 2024, in 2 years. The electric car maker would then process raw ore material into a condition usable for battery production and then ship the lithium hydroxide to various Tesla battery factories around the world now. With the construction of a lithium hydroxide refinery, Tesla would expand the value chain. That's the key for this report. From a technical point of view, the short-term chart picture has brightened significantly. The important 200-day line is $295. It was broken. The next resistance stands at $315 for Tesla stock. Although, friends, I'm not in the stock market, and I don't. This is not a advice to buy or sell Tesla stocks. See you soon in our next report.